Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Cloud Computing for Education and Training Services. And this is the 13th session in the Cloud Computing series that we have going on TechGeek. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Sesha Sai, Vice President at C2C Consulting and Training. Mr. Sesha Sai has over 20 years of experience in the education, learning, training and development in India and other countries. He has successfully managed the education and learning solutions for large multinationals like Xerox, Oracle, Cisco, Microsoft, etc. He is extremely passionate about providing learning solutions for the financially backward and rural students, which can help them in gaining employment and lifelong learning. As part of the Asia Pacific teams of various MNCs, he has contributed to offering the latest technology to the students in most remote part of the country. Mr. Sesha Sai is widely traveled and is currently based in Bangalore. His hobbies include volunteering, reading, listening to classical music. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Sai.
Thank you, Mohini. So good afternoon to all of you. It's a great pleasure to have you all on a Monday afternoon. I appreciate your time and patience to join my webinar. We are going to have a wonderful session on the cloud computing. This is basically directed towards educational and academic institutions and training organizations who are planning to move to the cloud. Second, I see a lot of freshers who have joined the webinar. I welcome each one of them, and I'm sure it's going to be a great session basically to help choose a career in cloud computing. So to start off, a little bit about me. I've been fortunate to work with some of the largest MNCs where cloud computing has been one of the large areas where I have had my focus. And I had over 2.5 million users whom I could kind of get onto the cloud. Second, I am extremely passionate